Back here with another banger. This is Rodthedrawer. Back here with another video, and today we're gonna be going through my old pictures, like back 2014. So yeah, like it really gets rough back then. Like I was struggling to draw. I'm just playing. I wasn't struggling, but like I didn't really know what I was doing. So yeah, I'm gonna take you, show you what I used to do. All right, let's go.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're all like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic when you roll with us. And we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party.
I hope you enjoyed seeing my old drawings. This is Lil Wayne. I think I drew this when I was like probably 12. Yeah, 12-ish. And yeah, that was pretty good for my age then. But like that was like the only good picture I had. Like literally like the only good picture. But you see what I do now, so compare this to now. Like this video. How about you subscribe and turn the bell notification on?